Hello students, welcome to our online class. Before going to the new topic, there are some doubts by our students related to exercise 2.4. Okay, so let's solve the numbers. Okay, exercise 2.4, number 7. Here I have written the question. Okay, a TV was noted down in your copy. A TV was bought for 24,655 rupees and sold at a loss of 1325 rupees. Okay, find the selling price. Here is given bought. Bought means the cost price. The cost price of the TV is 24,655 and sold at a loss of means, and there is given loss 1325 rupees. We have to find the selling price or SP. Okay, as for the formula, if CP is given and loss is given, the formula for SP will be what? SP equal to CP minus loss. Okay, so let's write in statement form the cost price, the CP or cost price of the TV equal to 24,655 rupees. Okay, loss, I am writing here loss of the TV during selling equal to 1325. We have to find the selling price. Selling price or SP of the TV. Okay, so first write the formula SP equal to CP minus loss. Now put the value for CP 24,655 rupees minus 1325 rupees. Okay, now subtract 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 2 3, 6 minus 3 3, 4 minus 1 3 and 2 minus 0 2. So our answer is, or our selling price is 23,330. Okay, so the selling price of the TV is 23,330. Okay, this is our answer. Our next question is question number 9. A goldsmith earned a profit of 1,23,564 rupees by selling jewelry. Okay, jewelry means, as you know, the ornaments, ring, necklace. Okay, for rupees 19,45,450. At what price did he buy the jewelry? Okay, goldsmith means, you know, those who make or repair gold ornaments. Okay, so look at the question carefully. What is given here? Profit of means profit is given. 1,23,564. Okay, and selling jewelry for 19,45,000 rupees, 45,450 rupees, means SP is given. What you have to find? You have to find at what price did he buy. Buy means the cost price. Here you have to find the cost price. Okay, so let's write the statement. Selling price, or you can write SP of the jewelry equal to 19 lakh. Profit is given in the first line, but you have to start from the SP. 19,45,450 rupees. Okay. Profit of the goldsmith equal to 1,23,564 rupees. Okay, we have to find the CP. CP or cost price means buy is written here, and as you know in your previous class that at the time of buy we consider it or take it as CP or cost price. Cost price of the jewelry. Okay, equal to. Now we have to write the formula. If SP is given and profit is given, then the CP, the formula for CP will be what? Yes, SP minus profit. Okay, now put the value for SP 19,45,450 minus the value for profit is 1,23,564. Okay. Now subtract both the number. 10 minus 4, 6. We cannot subtract 4 from 6. Then take 1, means 14 minus 6 equal to 8. Here is 3. 3. We cannot subtract 3 from 5. Then borrow 1, means 13 minus 5 equal to 8. Okay. Here is 4. 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Here is also 4. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. And 9 minus 1 equal to 8. 1. 18,21,886 rupees. Don't forget to put the unit in every number, because all the profit, loss, cost price, selling price are related to money. Okay, this is our answer. So at what price did he buy the jewelry? So the goldsmith bought the jewelry for rupees 18,21,886 rupees. Okay, in this way you can complete or you can do all the numbers. Okay? Complete the numbers from the exercise 2.4. Okay? Bye.